Do you ever wonder how people do it? How they become experts at whatever they try? Like one day they're struggling just like you, and then overnight, boom, they have 20,000 followers and hundreds of clients all looking to them for help. And suddenly they're unstoppable while you're still spinning your wheels. Well, if you're feeling that way, then you're in luck, because today I'm going to share with you my secrets for building your reputation as a credit repair expert. Why? Because it's going to help you to get more and great referrals and a whole lot of clients who look up to you as their number one credit hero. So you better stick around. My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets. Okay, before we jump in, if you are new to my podcast, be sure to click to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you want me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, go to creditherochallenge.com, where I will walk you through the proven process that has created millionaires and changed tens of thousands of lives. That is creditherochallenge.com. Oh, and one more thing, and I love this part. Every episode, I'm featuring one of our credit heroes inside our Credit Repair Cloud Facebook community so that you can see firsthand what real people are doing as they launch and grow their business. And today's spotlight is on Amber Roberts, who took our Credit Hero Challenge only a few months ago, and she already has 54 clients. Congratulations, Amber. You are awesome. And I also want to give a shout out to our newest credit repair millionaire, Daniel De La Garza, who sent us this picture holding his new Millionaires Club award. And more important than all that money, it's all the lives that he is changing. So congratulations, Daniel. We are so proud of you. And these stories are exactly why we're doing this and why we are all in this together so that we can change the lives of the people all around us while we reach our own goals. So when you've done something good for your community or you've changed your clients' lives, don't forget to tell us about it inside our amazing Credit Repair Cloud community. It's a place where everyone goes to share tips and get advice and tell their success stories. We are so lucky to have thousands of members at every stage, from beginner to pro to millionaire and beyond. And it's all about lifting each other up all together. Okay, let's get into this. It is so common. It's something that comes up all the time when I mentor entrepreneurs from zero to success story. And I know this because I've coached thousands of people to reach their business dreams. The truth is, there was also a time when I felt the same way, when I was struggling for so many years, doing everything I could to get my business off the ground and trying to make my voice and my ideas heard by more people. See, at the time, I already knew that I was onto something really important. I knew that I had to become an expert from doing it all the hard way. But back then, when I barely had a roof over my head, not a lot of people were listening to what I had to say. And sometimes it seemed like I was stuck in the same spot and only digging further and further into the mud. And I felt that way until I learned the secret to letting the world know that I was the expert. As a credit hero, you work hard every day to clean up your clients' credit reports so that they can get amazing results. But being successful in credit repair, it isn't just about deleting errors and disputing. No, you also have to show your clients and your potential clients that you are the credit repair expert. And there are many ways that you can get this message across to help you to position yourself as the expert. And in turn, that will grow your business. Now, if you're not posting on your social media every day, you need to start. You need to let everyone in your feed know that you are the expert in credit repair. If you hide your business from your social media, then you are going to have a really hard time in trying to grow your business. Okay? You need to be posting all the time. You need to be loud and proud. You need to post credit tips and advice and let people know that you are the expert. So how do you get people to see you as the expert? First of all, the key is trust. People buy from people they trust. So how do you go about building trust? You do it by being able to educate your audience. An important part of your success is also about using everything possible to your advantage, including one of the most important parts of the process, which is coaching people to be smart about their financial lives. And very often people fail as business owners because they're only focused on closing sales. But the truth is, it takes a passion for helping people to build trust with them. So I recommend finding different ways to educate your audience. And one way is to educate your clients on good financial choices and how they impact their credit scores. And there are tons of financial products and services. Many are free, and those can help you and your clients to establish credit, to build credit, and to increase their scores. You want to constantly give your social media followers and your clients credit advice education, like ways to build their credit, ways to build their business credit, advice about taxes, if you do taxes, and personal finance coaching. In fact, these can also become separate income streams for your credit repair business, which helps a lot with building trust. Knowing your way around these products, plus keeping yourself up to date on federal and local financial rules and codes, it lets people know that you are serious about their money, and that puts them at ease. And next, you want to get involved. Your clients, your leads, and your followers, they should be able to see your involvement in the credit repair and financial industry constantly over time. Are you going to trade shows or local networking events to find affiliates like mortgage brokers, tax preparers, car dealers, people who install solar, dentists, plastic surgeons, anyone who has clients who need to have a good credit score to buy their product? They are likely affiliates. So you want to go to places where you can meet those people, okay? And make sure to post about it on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. Let people see that you have gone all in and that your free time is spent gaining knowledge and increasing your network. Are you asking schools and other institutions if they need an educational speaker like you at their next event? I can't recommend this enough. So many of our Millionaires Club members are featured speakers in their communities, at churches, in schools. This really, really works. And they look for these gigs even though they have more than enough clients and referrals, because being a speaker, it helps to show the world that respected community organizations and businesses are already looking to you as the expert, so everyone else should too. And next, you want to brag about your clients' successes and get them to brag too. It can take a potential client up to 10 interactions with your business before they are ready to sign up for your services. If you have a whole bunch of leads who have been waiting in the wings for a while, get them excited about what you can do for them. You know they're watching, so don't be shy, and make sure to share your successes with the world. Because whenever you help your clients' credit scores reach the next level, whether it's 25, 50, or 100 points, you've got to let your followers know about it. You can take a screenshot and do a mini educational video about how you were able to change this score, and then post it to your feed and to your stories. One of our most successful millionaires, Amber Jones, She even does educational posts when a client's score has gone down. And she does this to let people know what can happen if another item goes into collections or if the client has made some late payments. And just as importantly, don't forget to reach out to your clients when they are feeling great about a score increase. That's when you want to ask them to write a short testimonial about what a great job you do. You want to strike while the iron is hot. Remember, the more people that announce that you are the expert, the more other people will catch on soon enough. And before you know it, you can be one of those overnight success stories that motivates someone else to get unstuck and just go for it. And that's it. It's all pretty simple, don't you think? And if you'd like me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, I want to invite you to join our upcoming Credit Hero Challenge. It's an amazing 2-week program that gets you certified in disputing. It has live mentorship. You'll fix your own credit. You'll get your first clients. And what it does is it gives you the confidence to launch your business on a solid foundation. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun. And it costs less than you'd spend to take your family to McDonald's for dinner. The next challenge is starting in just a couple days, so you want to join before the doors close. Otherwise, you're going to have a long wait until the next one. So sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com. And if you like what you're hearing on this podcast, be sure to click to subscribe so you don't miss any of the secrets that I share every week. And rate me and review me and give me a thumbs up and drop a comment or a question because I read each and every one of them. And I will see you in the next episode. And until then, be a credit hero and keep changing lives. Hey everybody, it's Daniel again, and really quick, I'd like to invite you to join what I believe is the best thing we have ever created inside the Credit Repair Cloud community. And it is a challenge that we call the Credit Hero Challenge. If you're just planning out your business or you're just getting it started and you dream of having a successful business of your own so you can quit your 9-to-5 and fire your boss and have financial freedom, or so you can add another revenue stream to your existing business, if that's your dream, you need to get into this challenge. We created this challenge to help you to create and launch your very own credit repair business, to build a proper foundation for a really successful business. This challenge is going to help you to understand the strategy, the tactics, and all the things you need to be successful at credit repair. It really is the greatest thing we have ever built, and it will change your life. So I recommend you do it right now. Stop everything, pause this audio, go online, and go to creditherochallenge.com. That's creditherochallenge.com and join the next challenge. And there's a challenge that's starting in just a few days, so go get started right now at creditherochallenge.com.